Guys, Shivam here from Pi Classes. So today we are going to talk about our next topic in this series, which is and or operators in SQL. So in this video we will learn what is AND operator and its syntax, what is OR operator and its syntax, and learn some important keynotes. So first we will talk about what are these operators. So the SQL and OR operators are used to combine multiple conditions to narrow data in SQL statement. These operators are also called conjunctive operators. The SQL and OR operators are used with where clause. So moving on our first topic, AND operator. This operator displays only those records where all the conditions evaluates to true. So the basic syntax of AND operator with where clause is given below. Select column name from table name where conditions with AND operator and semicolon. Then moving to our second topic, OR operator. The OR operator is used to combine multiple conditions in SQL statement, but this operator displays the record where either one of the conditions evaluates to true. So the basic syntax of OR operator with where clause is as follows. Select column names from table name where conditions with OR operator and semicolon. But in the case of OR operator, at least one condition from the condition specified must be satisfied by any record to be in the result set. So let's have some practical now. We will see that how to fetch desired records from table using and OR operator. So as you can see that I have my SQL workbench opened up and I have connected to the server right by typing in my password. Now in the text editor we will type our queries. So as you can see that we have already a table named customer which I have used before in our previous lectures. So we will perform our task directly in the same table again. So if I want to fetch the ID, name, salary fields from the customers table again, where the salary should be greater than 2000 and age should be less than 25 years. So in this question, we have two conditions given. So here we want both conditions to be true. So here we will use AND operator. So I will write query regarding to this. So the query will be like this. But first we have to use the database testdb. So for this we will write query use testdb database, control enter, and you can see that our query is successfully executed. Now we can fetch the data like select id comma name comma salary from table name which is customers, then where clause, then conditions, using AND operator, age should be less than 25, then semicolon. Then just run it by simple pressing Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see in the action output center, our query is successfully executed and we have got our desired output in the table. So now if we want the ID, name, salary from customers where salary should be 2000 or age should be less than 25. So here as you can see that we have two conditions given here, but we want that at least one condition must be true. So here we will use OR operator. So I will write the query to fetch the data. Select from select id comma name comma salary from table name which is customers, then where clause, then salary is greater than 2000 or age should be less than 25 semicolon, then simply run it by simply pressing Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see in the action output, our query is successfully executed and we got our desired output in the table. So that's it for the today. Now we will jump to our quiz section. Let's put your knowledge to the test. So there are three easy questions related to this video. Pause the video and try to think of the answers. I think you have chosen your answers. Let's see if you are right or wrong. So these are the right answers. So that's it for the video. In the next video, we will cover our next topic.